Are you recording?
Yes.
A wee quick tutorial on how to make a wash bag without having to thread the string through with a pin. I've taken this pillowcase here and pressed a line in the centre. So if you split it in half, and go to your crease mark, keep your open end open for now. Roughly the width of your cord, a bit more than your pillowcase. I'm using piping cord at the minute. Just seal the edges. Tie a knot. And get your cord in there, right up to where your crease is. Now, get yourself started off. Get your hand in here and follow your circle of cord right around your crease. Just your foot will keep your cord up to where your crease is anyway, so you don't need to fuss too much with it. And you're back round to where you started. And come up nice and close to your seam. Now, take your open end, stitch it closed, poke your corners through, and push your open end through to the closed end. Just push your corners down there, do a slight wee stitch on the end, stop it coming back through. Nothing glamorous, just a stitch to hold it. Back up to the top, feel for the side where you started and finished. Open a few stitches. There you go.